Welcome back to Tech Nexus, your go-to channel for all things technology. In today's video, we'll explore the exciting world of making money online in the realm of technology. We are going to talk about 3 different ways in this video. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking to turn your passion into profit or someone searching for additional income streams, we've got you covered. So, let's dive in and discover how you can make money online using your tech skills. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to make money online in the tech industry is through freelancing. As a freelancer, you can offer your specialized skills and services to clients around the world. From web development and graphic design to content creation and digital marketing, the opportunities are endless. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are great platforms to showcase your skills and connect with potential clients. Remember, building a strong portfolio and delivering high-quality work are crucial to establishing yourself as a successful freelancer. Online courses and tutorials. Another lucrative avenue in the tech industry is creating and selling online courses or tutorials. If you have in-depth knowledge in a specific tech field, consider sharing your expertise with others. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera allow you to create and monetize your courses, reaching a wide audience of eager learners. By providing valuable content and delivering engaging lessons, you can generate a steady income while helping others enhance their tech skills. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn money online by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. In the tech niche, there are countless opportunities to become an affiliate marketer. You can join affiliate programs of tech companies, such as Amazon, Best Buy, or software providers, and promote their products through your website, blog, or social media channels. Be transparent, provide honest reviews, and focus on recommending products that genuinely benefit your audience. There you have it, our guide to making money online in the world of technology. From freelancing and online courses to affiliate marketing, YouTube, and e-commerce, the opportunities are vast. Remember, success in the online realm requires dedication, continuous learning, and providing value to your audience or clients. So, choose the path that aligns with your passions and skills, and start your journey towards earning money online in the exciting world of technology. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Nexus for more informative content on technology and ways to leverage it for financial success. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below.